Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to build a Docker image and push it to ECR. So is gonna be our main focus. And before doing that, you need to make sure to have AWS account because that's where we're gonna work. And also you need to have a GitHub because I'm going to give you the project link and you're going to pull that from, you're going to clone that from GitHub. And also you need to have the EC2 Docker. So, and if you remember, we done this in our previous video. So using Terraform, we launched a EC2 with Docker using Terraform. So you can also use that EC2 for this project. But if you didn't build that EC2 yet, you can also go back to our video and check it out. So you have everything you need. You have a link to push to clone the code and all those fun good stuff. Okay, so let's start it, right? We're gonna start by create the ECR repository in AWS first. And to do that, you need to go here, search ECR and press enter. So, and then when you got here, you just press get started, and then you're gonna create the repository privately. So the name of our repository, let's give a name DevOps, right? DevOps, and then let's put enter. That's good. DevOps good, and then we just hit create. So nothing else. Okay, we create the repository by the ECR. So if I enter here, you see here we don't have any image stored on our repository yet, so but we will have it in a few minutes. Okay, so the next thing we have to do now, we need to go to our EC2 instances and clone the project. Okay, here we are in our EC2. So we need to clone the repository. So to clone that project, let me go here in GitHub, copy the code, and then paste it here. Do a git clone, and then paste. All right, so this link, I'm gonna leave that on the description box, so that way you guys can go and clone this code. Okay, clone. All right, ls to check if it's there. Yes, it's there. Then let us cd to the directory ls. Okay, we are there. Okay, if you see here, guys, right, you have here a Docker file. The Docker file is the configuration file that help where we define all the different resources we need during the building of the image. So it's really crucial, right? So I will show you next time how to build this Docker file, but for now let's just build the image, right? So after clone the project, so we need to run the docker build command to build that image. So we need to do docker build -t. T is for the tag. So let's call the application web app dev for development, and then create that exactly where we are, right? So it's creating. So just wait, we pull everything, create. So yeah, if you see here, everything that is getting created is from that Docker file, right? A Docker. So just wait. All right, so again, yeah, successful. All right, we successfully create the Docker image. So the next thing we have to do now is to push the image to ECR. Okay, let's push. To do that, we need some information. So I forget to mention something very important here. So let's do this. To easily connect your EC2, this EC2 to AWS ECR, you need to install the, you need to have your secret key and your ID here in this EC2. So I did that already. So I don't want to show you that because it's really personal and I cannot show you that, so just let you know. Okay, so I cannot see that from here. Let me just go to the home directory, cd. All right, so let's do this, ls, this to the dashboard, AWS. What's going on? I don't have it. Oh yeah, I don't have it. Okay, I didn't do that. All right, so yeah, I need to have that here. So I don't have it. So I'm just gonna pause the video here and install that because it's really personal and I don't want anyone, see that. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is what I was talking about. So you need to configure the environment such a way that you can connect, with your repository. So I have the AWS configure here. Just need to put in your ID, your secret key, your region, and then the JSON format you have put. So you just basically need to type AWS configure, and then it will prompt you to all this output, and you will be able to put in your access credential. All right, so we are good here. So we are good. So if I do ls and do this tilde/.aws, so I will be able to see a credential here. So if I cut this file, I can see my credential, but I don't want to do that because it's not good to do that, right? It's personal. Okay, so now let's go back to our project. cd docker enter ls. Yeah, it has to be in it doesn't have to be in capital either. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now, so I need to connect to my ECR. So I need to type this command. This command, you don't need to remember that because just a fetching, you need to change the fetching here that I'm going to show you. So password, and then dash region, US. This is what you need to change the region. If your ECR is created in different region, you need to change this one. And then when I type this one, the command, I need to type that to Docker. So that's mean it's pretty much mean that take everything from here and pass that to Docker, and then we already install Docker in the ECR. So Docker login, and then dash username. So like I say, you don't have to change anything for this one. Okay, so just leave the same like I am typing. So dash password dash sterling input dash. Okay, so yeah, you only need to change this one, and then here now we need to put the URI for the ECR. So let me go grab that. It's not here. Let me go here. Okay, it's here. Let's go. This is our ECR. We need to grab this URI, copy that, and then come and paste it here. And then after that, you just put enter. And then after that, now we try to connect to log into the repository, and then we good. We login succeed. Right. All right. So now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put a tag to our image. So the name of our image was what? I don't remember, guys. What name we put in here? Oh, we didn't put any name, right? No. Yeah. No. Okay. Good. So let's do this. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, we say it was dev, right? So web app dev. Yeah. Yes, it was web app dev. And then after that, we need to put this link again. So this link I just paste is the URI for the repository. So here I'm going to put the environment. So the environment, I'm going to call that dev, right? So let's put enter, and then we need to now push, right? The last step we need to push. So we can do docker push, and then after docker push, we need to paste the URI, yes, and then we need to put dev. Basically, this dev is the name of the image we're going to see on the ECR. So let's put enter and see what's gonna happen. Yes, so it's pushing, right? We're just gonna wait a few minutes and we'll check. All right, everything's going. So after that, we're gonna try now to run the container and see. So, but let's first see what we're gonna get here. Almost there. Okay. All right. Okay, good. So it's all done. All right. The image is pushed. We can go now to ECR check. So we can click here, and then we have dev here. The image is there. You know what is the artifact, right? It's there, and we good to go. So now the thing I'm going to show you here is you're going to see here this little button. You got scan here. This scan button helps us to check if we have any bug, any vulnerability bug here by scanning the image here. So it's really helpful tools too here. Okay, so we good here now. Okay, guys, let's bring the container up, right? Let's bring the container up. To bring the container up, it's really pretty much easy, right? We need to run the docker command. So we need to run docker run command -d, which is the detach mode, and p, and then the part. If you remember, the part we opened. If you remember, right? If you go back to our previous video, when we create when we were deploying the Terraform code. We define on the Terraform the ingress, the port where the Docker gonna listen to, and it was port 8010 if you remember. So, and then we're gonna open that the port that is open is 8010, right? And then it's listening from port 80. So that is a protocol. It's a HTTP PD. So it's port 80. And now we need to go to, where I'm gonna get that. Okay, right here. So let's go now, check the instance. I'm gonna go grab the instance link. Let me copy this one. No, that's not what I need. Okay, I need something I'm looking for. All right, this one. We need to URI, right? URI, and we need that to put. We need to paste that here. So basically, we're trying to execute to run the image, right? Okay, let's put enter. So, and then we can see if the image is running, if the container is running, docker ps, just do docker ps, and we can see, so it's there, right, running. So you can see that it's running. It's running. We have the container ID, we have the image, right? The image. We have here the command is running in the background, in the foreground, sorry. Up 8 seconds ago. Okay, this is the port, you know, the TPC, right? Okay, and then that is the random name. I didn't give the name, so we just give a random default name here. Okay, so now we can go on the browser to check. Let's go to the browser and check. And to do that, we need to grab the IP address, the public IP address of the EC2. Copy the public IP address and then go to the browser. Oh, I'm doing here. Okay, browser. Open. Okay, sorry. All right, so paste here, and then so the container is missing from port 8010, right? And then put enter. All right. So we got a beautiful web application here, you know. So yeah, so it's running on the container, right? Docker container. Okay, so I would think that's it, guys. So if you have any question, so just let me know. But before you leave, so make sure to delete everything, because you know Amazon is always looking for your money. If you leave that EC2 running, they're gonna charge you for sure. But yeah, you can go ahead and destroy everything. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, guys. And if you have any question, any comment, please don't forget to put that in the comment section. I will be really happy to read and answer you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.